Here we have on the floor a few multimeters, some of them quite old. These two here are VTVMs, vacuum tube voltmeters. This here is a dwell meter, Tach dwell meter. We have a few analog movements, an old Italian one. Here we have two clamp meters, a huge one and this one. This is more modern one. The huge one is this huge. Two cheap $2 or I don't know $5 Chinese ones. This yellow one, and I try to get them in pairs. For example, these 8008s and the one which we just tested. This is an LCR meter. Maybe it looks better if I turn it that way. An analog multimeter, another analog one, a little cute one. This is maybe my favorite, I don't know, but my first real multimeter, this Unity. And here we have two vintage analog Romanian made multimeters. And this is the whole family.